Teeth can turn yellow due to various factors, including staining foods and drinks, consuming foods and beverages with intense color pigments, such as coffee, tea, red wine, and certain berries, can stain teeth over time. Tobacco use, smoking or chewing tobacco, can lead to yellowing of teeth due to the tar and nicotine present in tobacco products. Poor oral hygiene, inadequate brushing and flossing can allow plaque and tartar to build up on teeth, leading to discoloration. Aging, as we age. The outer layer of enamel on our teeth naturally wears down, revealing the yellowish dentin beneath it. Genetics, some individuals may naturally have teeth with a yellowish hue due to their genetic makeup. Medications and health conditions, certain medications, such as tetracycline antibiotics, and certain health conditions can cause tooth discoloration. Dental trauma, trauma to the teeth, such as injury or impact, can result in yellow or darkening of the affected teeth. Making dietary changes can also help promote natural teeth whitening. Here are some tips. Limit staining foods and beverages. Reduce consumption of foods and drinks that are known to stain teeth, such as coffee, tea, red wine, berries, and dark-colored sauces. If you do consume them, rinse your mouth with water afterward. Increase water intake. Drinking water throughout the day helps wash away food particles and reduce the buildup of plaque and stains on your teeth. Consume crunchy fruits and vegetables. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, celery, and carrots can help clean teeth naturally by removing plaque and stimulating saliva production. Include dairy products. Foods rich in calcium, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, can strengthen tooth enamel and contribute to whiter teeth. Chew sugarless gum. Chewing sugarless gum after meals stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize acids and wash away debris. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil in your mouth to improve oral health. Here's how to do oil pulling. Choose an oil. Traditionally, coconut oil or sesame oil is used for oil pulling. You can use 1 tablespoon of either oil. Swish the oil. Take the oil into your mouth and swish it around for about 15 to 20 minutes. Move it around your teeth and gums, pulling it through your teeth. Spit it out. After the time is up, spit the oil into a trash can. Do not swallow the oil, as it may contain bacteria and toxins from your mouth. Rinse and brush. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water, and then brush your teeth as you normally would. Brushing with baking soda can help remove surface stains on teeth. Here's how to do it. Wet your toothbrush. Wet your toothbrush with water. Apply baking soda. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda onto the wet toothbrush bristles. You can also mix the baking soda with a little water to form a paste. Brush gently. Brush your teeth with the baking soda mixture using gentle circular motions. Focus on the front surface of your teeth where stains are more visible. Avoid brushing aggressively, as baking soda is mildly abrasive and excessive scrubbing can damage tooth enamel. Rinse and brush. After brushing for about 2 minutes, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. And don't forget to visit our website. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel. Share the video. Like, comment.